Speaking English is a very big task, but today we are going to talk about 10 ways to speak English. You can improve your English, use them, but try to watch full video. So, we are going to start the first point. हम इसमें 10 पॉइंट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे जो आपकी इंग्लिश को बहुत ज़्यादा एनहेंस कर देंगे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज स्पीक इंग्लिश एवरी डे. द प्रैक्टिस स्पीकिंग डे even if it is just for 5 minutes. Example, talk about yourself. It is like day one. Start from your daily routine. You can like, I wake up early at 7 o'clock. I am feeling great today. Like, you can use your daily routine to learn English also. Like, fluency comes from practice, not perfection. So you need to speak more and more your day, your family members. You can talk with your family members also. This is the one point. The second point is think in English. It is very important thing. Stop translating from your mother tongue. Like, try to from your like thoughts and English. Like, what should I eat, and instead of thinking in Hindi. So you need to learn how to think in English. If a sentence, a person ask you a question, you can like, do you speak English? You think in Hindi, then translate in English. Use some grammar concepts, then try to speak, then stuck in your neck. So just think in English and give your answer. Read English daily. This is a third point. Read stories and storybooks, newspapers, online articles. It helps improve your grammar and vocabulary and sentence structure naturally. You can learn from anywhere. You need to learn like, you can read any history notebook. So you need learn, and you need read more and more things. आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ें पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि रीडिंग, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग. व्हेन यू लर्न, देन यू अर्न. सो दिस इज़ द मेन पॉइंट. सीखेंगे फिर ही कमाएंगे. तो जब आप बुक्स पढ़ेंगे, वहाँ से लर्न करेंगे, फिर आप कमाएंगे इंग्लिश में. वोकैबुलरी, सेंटेंसेस, वर्ड्स एंड द वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग, many more things and new words you can achieve from the notebook, newspaper, comics, articles, novels. You can follow, you need to follow them. Fourth point is watch English movies with subtitles, or like a series and serials. For example, watch English movie with subtitle. You learn real pronunciation, tone, and expressions, and try to repeating lines to practice like accent and rhythm. Like, there is a news, there is a person who are covering the news as a like anchor of like Aaj Tak, India Today, and the NDTV also. You can copy them to learn. आप उन्हें देख के भी उनकी तरह अगर बोलने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो वहां से भी आपको एक बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी सीखने के लिए कि ये कैसे बोल रहा है. पहले एक न्यूज़ को 2-3 बार देख लो, फिर उसे उसी की तरह बोलने की कोशिश करो. टेक योर फोन एंड रिकॉर्ड योर वीडियो, देन ट्राई टू स्पीक in front of your camera. This is the best way of the learning. Point number 5 is listening to English podcast and songs. There are a lot of podcasts in English on the YouTube and Google. There are many vlogs. There are many people who are creating vlogs in English. So English is a global language also. So you can find anywhere. You can find your songs in English. You can find your favorite subjects in English. Like, listening improves your understanding and pronunciation. Try podcasts like BBC Learning English for the English with Speak. There are a lot of YouTubes are on the YouTube channel. So you need to learn. You need to watch podcast and movies and listen to songs to make your better listening. Learn 5 new words every day. This is the good way to learn any kind of language. Like, write them down and learn their meaning in Hindi and in your mother tongue language. So for example, you learn inspire anywhere. My teacher inspire me every day. So this is the example. You can make a one example for the one sentence, then you try to speak this sentence and word. You can learn better than from grammar. It means रट्टा लगाने से ये बेहतर है कि आप ये सीखें. नोटबुक्स में से 5 वर्ड डेली के निकालो, नॉवेल्स में से पढ़ लो, या फिर कहीं से भी गूगल वगैरह पे से 5 वर्ड डेली आप पढ़ें, उन्हें लिखें, उनको स्पीक करने की कोशिश करें, उनके साउंड्स को पकड़ें, उनकी रियल प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे फोकस करें, एक रिदम बनाएं। ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका होता है। दिस द पॉइंट ऑफ सिक्स, practice writing. Writing is a good thing. Like, write your short paragraphs, daily journals, or captions in English. Example, write about yourself and your day, your dream, or options. There are a lot of options. Just take your notebook and write down about your future goals in English. Write your daily routine. You can write your daily routine. Whatever do your in a whole day, just write in your notebook. So this is the also good way. Next, the 8 number, focus on grammar. Focus on grammar concept. For example, covered your all tenses and the models also, the like conjunction, prepositions. For example, grammar builds your confidence in speaking and writing also, because when you know the grammar, you can speak clearly and without feeling hesitation. Learn one rule daily, like tenses, models, verbs, or prepositions or conjunctions. Any kind of topic you can cover for the one day. This is the 8 number topic. The 9, join English speaking groups. For example, surrounded yourself with English learners. Practice conversation on topics like hobbies, travel, or goals. You can travel also, and you can search your goals. Join English group. For example, there are a lot of groups are on the WhatsApp and Telegrams and Instagrams. Internet runs in English also, so you can follow ग्रुप ज्वाइन करो, वहाँ पे आपको ग्रामर के रूल्स मिल जाएंगे। इंग्लिश में स्टोरीज लोग डालते हैं, वो आपको मिल जाएंगे, उनको पढ़ने की कोशिश करो। न्यूज़ इंग्लिश में आपको वहाँ मिल जाएगी, लाइक इन शॉर्ट न्यूज़ करके भी एक है, जहाँ पर आपको इंग्लिश में न्यूज़ देखने को मिल जाएगी। बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं। द लास्ट पॉइंट इज बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड कंसिस्टेंट. दिस इज द मोस्ट वन फॉर एनी थिंग, like learning, earning, and doing anything for all the looks of study. Like, do not be afraid of making mistakes. The more you speak, the faster you improve. Consistency is a more powerful than perfection. Just learn. Just take your in your whole day. Take your 2 hours for one day. Give your 2 hours to yourself. You can build yourself rather than other. मतलब ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप अगर एक दिन में अपने को 2 घंटे दोगे, तो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव कर जाओगे, जो लोग अपने को 2 घंटे नहीं दे रहे हैं, नॉट की इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के लिए। बाकी अगर आप खुद पे भी अगर काम कर रहे हो, फॉर एग्जांपल एक बंदा डेली जिम जा रहा है, और वो एक 4 दिन जाके जिम छोड़ देगा, तो वो वहीं के वहीं रह जाएगा। लेकिन अगर आप एक हफ्ते जाओगे, एक महीने जाओगे, so you can improve more and more. You can build your body, you can build your English. So try to build your English, try to build your favorite language. कोशिश करो खुद में चेंजेस लाने की। कोशिश करो जिन लोगों को बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश आती है उनके साथ रहने की, ना कि उनके साथ रहो जो लोग आपसे नीचे हैं, कम तबके के हैं। This is the video of way of speaking, the day of like 10 way of speaking, English speaking. You can work on these 10 ways, so you can learn better than like coachings and more things. Just follow this 10 ways, you will improve. You will improve, your confidence will improve, and your personality will improve, and your earning will also improve. So just follow for more, and subscribe and like and comment what is the video, like good or not. We'll meet again